Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this bag is from. Well, we got a little package. And, whoops, we don't need that anymore. We have 2 cross-stitch kits. So I guess we'll start with the little bag. I don't know what happened to my orange scissors. They were here earlier. I don't know, I probably used them for something. Heaven knows. Let's see if I can get this package open. This is from GBFKE store. And this is one of those needle threaders. If I could just get it out of the bag. Man, did they get that sucker in there good. Hey, and the ends aren't too terribly bent up. Yay! Get this out of here. Let me see how much this was. It was $4.35. And it is a lotus blossom with koi. Isn't that pretty? I think it's just beautiful. And these ends are not bent up too terribly bad. Just a slight little bend, but that I can deal with. The other one was like bent in half. Has a magnet on the back to hold your needles. And I just, sometimes I'll use it as a, thing to hold my needles and stuff as I'm stitching, on a kit. I'll put another magnet behind it. There's a piece of something right there. But yeah, and they work just great for that. But that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They have them in rounds, and I believe they have them in the oval ones as well, and they also have the oblong ones that I got first. So very nice. And there is a piece of plastic on there, but I'm not going there right now because I can't get that off right now, but I will put that up there with my collection. So let's look at the cross stitch kits. Put that over there. Flip that over. This is a 40 by 40. And they are Blue Jays. They were $9.81. There's your product number and how big it is. I will put a picture here. Alright, and that way you can see it. It's not one of the stained glass ones, but it is very pretty. Has 30 colors. It has that 154 plum in it. No 550 purple, no 310. It doesn't have any 823. It does have a little bit of 939. And no 3371. It does have, the background is 3865, so you could either stitch it or don't. Now it does have, sorry about that, some blotches there. Can you see those? Let's look and see if it's in the actual kit. No, not in the, in the kit. In the actual pattern for this, because we know the whole background is 3865. So I'm not seeing anything. The rest of it's all nice and clear. Very easy to read. Now the paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's give it a flip side here. It does come with a toolkit, so we have a deer. I'm going to pull you over just a bit. It does have a deer. Has 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Isn't that cute? We'll put that up there. It does come with a single page instruction sheet. How to start, how to finish, how to do the cross stitch, even back stitch, cast off, and French knots, and 1/4 and 3/4 and a half stitch. So very nice, especially if you've never done that before. This has how big it is. It's 40 by 40, and the product number on the little bag of threads. I've noticed they've started doing that, so threads don't get all mushed up. Let me get rid of that. Hold that thought, please. Okay, we have 2 skeins of 3/865. Very nice. And look at all those blues. Let me shake that out a bit so we can see what is going on here. We got blues, we got purples, there's that plum color I was talking about right there. That is 154. Got some grays, all different shades of blue. Kind of a pale rose color. More gray. Of course you have some green, and then you have a magenta. Very nice. Let's turn this around. You have a dark turquoise, kind of a royal blue. There's your 3/865 on the end. Kind of a medium teal, kind of a medium hot pink, and a deeper, like a medium rose color, and then a dark, I don't know, kind of a bricky red, and kind of an olive green, and there's your dark 939. Hello, if I could just talk. So very beautiful colors. Not a whole lot of stitching because it's not very big. We roll this up so we don't lose anything. Put that over there. Let me move this out of my freeway. The canvas is serged all the way around, cutting off the fringes. Let's open that canvas up. Make sure it's okay. But yeah, if you just stitched this part, sorry about that. If you just stitched the pattern, I don't think, since the background is going to be white anyway, and when you wash this all up, it's going to be white, so I just don't see the point unless you really want to do that. The stitching is very nice on the side. It does not go into the numbers. It is going to have a little bit of confetti here and there, but the pattern is very clear, very easy to read or see. But yeah, there's some confetti, just kind of blotchy confetti, but then you have bigger parts. So very nice, very nicely done. I've noticed that even if the paper pattern is a little blotched, the canvas seems to be perfectly fine. So yeah, I have a couple like that I'm just gonna stitch anyway. I could very rarely use the paper pattern, especially on 11 count. I can actually see, you know, everything. So it's 40.5 or 16 inches, 41 centimeters or 16.25. Actual picture size is 34.5 centimeters or 13.5 inches by 13.25 this way, or 33.5 centimeters. So very nice indeed. I do like that. I just like the blues in it. You know how this goes. Come on, we've been here just a couple times. Okay, now this one, they called it a dragon tiger. I don't understand. And it is a 40 by 60. It was $12 even. Put that up there. Flip this over. And I will put a picture here. Alright, as you can see, it is kind of a bluish steel color. dragon. I think it is cool looking. Yeah, and there's like several in this, we'll call it a series. There's like 10, maybe possibly more. Some are dragons, some are tigers. But I'm glad this is the one that I got. So this has a big paper pattern. Product number 40 by 60 at the bottom. It's 233 by 147. And it has 40 colors. We have 310 black. We have the two grays of 413 and 414. We have 823, which is a dark blue. Of course, we have 939. And we do have some 3371. And no 3865. So, yeah, very nice. Very well printed. Make sure there's no smudges. Very nice pattern so far that I can see. Nothing messed up on this one. And there is going to be a ton of confetti. Now the background is 310 black. So, yeah. So, look for a few skeins of that. But it's very well and very nicely printed. This paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's flip this over. We have the instruction sheet again. Very nice. We have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, and a thimble. Leopard this time. Very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. See if I can get it open here. Well, we don't need that anymore. So it looks like we have 3 hanks of 310 black. We have a straggler there. I'm pretty sure they're 310, all of them. 2 and 3. Okay. So 310 blacks, that's 120 strands of 310 black. And we have kind of muted gray tones, brown tones. I'm trying to get it all undone here. Here's a little bit of light blue in this. Light turquoise. Like mocha, brown, tan. Not seeing too light of material. That's about the lightest color I've got right there. Oh, there is a little bit of pale green there. As soon as I said that, right? So not many light tones. A lot of dark green, dark brown, dark blue, dark gray. A lot of 3371 right there. That is 3371. It's very dark brown. You got tans over here. Some goldish tones. Very nice. Very nice. I just thought this looked kind of classy looking. Reminds me of a bronze statue, if you will. Roll that all up so we don't lose anything. This is also serged all the way around. Very nicely done. Except they just don't cut their little fringes off. But we'll get them. No harm. No foul. Okay. It's a big stiff old canvas. Boy, that's a lot of 310 black. Wow. But as you can see, there is a lot of confetti in that. Just a little bit of everywhere. There are some long areas, if you will, but yeah, it's like confetti, confetti, confetti. And more confetti. Yeah. And big areas. Down in here. Now the stitching does go into the numbers, but your paper pattern matches, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. It goes into the numbers of the DMC colors, but not into the symbols. So very nice. Let's see if we can Oops, sorry, my bad. One too many things going on here. My bad. Okay, let's measure this puppy. Let's see. 60.5 centimeters or 24 inches. 39.5 centimeters or 15.5. Okay, actual size is a little over 13 inches or a little over 33 centimeters. Going this way, 54 centimeters or 21.25 inches. So it's not too wide, but it's just the right size. I really like it. Just absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. And it will be gorgeous when it's done. I don't know where I would start and with what symbol. Some days it's like, well, maybe we'll just start at the top and work our way down, but that never works for very long. Yeah. I can't ever seem to do that. But very nice, very nice. Lots of beautiful threads with that one too. All right, well, thank you GBKFE for sending me these beautiful kits. Now they have diamond painting, cross stitch. I believe they have paint by number. And if they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They have tools and crafts for all of those things. And they do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see, anything else? They do have free shipping on orders over, I think it's $59. So do check them out. They always have a nice selection of things and very current, up to date. You know, I mean, keeping up with everybody else. So that is a good thing. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.